First time having an air fryer out with us camping.
A brand new bug tent that we got here. What's up, guys, and welcome back to another episode. Today we are camping for the weekend out in Campland, one of our favorite urban middle of the city campgrounds that we've ever been to. It's a party out here though, guys, so don't expect serene calmness. Expect a party because it's the summertime and it's California, so it's a good time. We've actually been out here for the last 2 nights already. We've been hanging out with our good friends, Kyle and Steffi, and we've just been biking around, eating good food. Kyle's been spoiling us with his awesome cooking, avocado toast yesterday, and a mind-blowing, revolutionary air fryer chicken bacon ranch sandwich that was delicious.
First time having an air fryer out with us camping. Making some chicken bacon ranches. Look at this spread. Kyle's working some magic over here. His Forerunner setup with his drawers. Kyle's got the bread toasting. He's warming up the meat.
Chicken bacon ranch.
Safe to say, air fryers have changed our sandwich making lives forever. This particular campsite was one of the last campsites available at Campland for the weekend, so we did pay a bit more than usual for it, especially since it had partial hookups, which included electric and water. From the campsite, we ended up biking around Mission Beach towards SeaWorld and around Fiesta Island. We ended up biking about 10 miles this day, so we obviously needed a nap afterwards. Campland has weekend concerts which overlook the bay. For dinner tonight, we ended up biking to Pacific Beach to explore the area and went to Ramen Ryoma, which had really good food. We had the chicken karage, takoyaki, and some ramen. We hung out around Pacific Beach and made our way back to camp, which was less than a 10-minute bike ride away. Back at camp, we hung out, played some ping pong, and enjoyed a free fireworks show across the bay from SeaWorld. This happens nightly, which was a great way to end the night. It's actually Sunday today, and me and Carly are here for another night. Kyle and Steph actually just left to head back to Vegas, so we got one more night here at Campland. And so we're gonna go do some exploring. We did a ton of biking yesterday. We probably biked close to 15, 16 miles yesterday around Campland. Well, that's one of the cool things about the park is that you have a bunch of trails nearby, and so from the park, we literally just biked outside the park and we hit the trail system within San Diego, which was freaking sweet. That's one of the benefits of being out in this particular campground is that we are literally in the middle of town. So the commute to get to places, everything is right around the area. We got Mission Beach, Pacific Beach, 2-mile bike ride away, Fiesta Island, which is just next door, and the bike trail all along there. So it's just a super awesome, convenient campground. We pretty much base camped out here for the weekend, so we can leave all of our stuff, come and go as we'd like. And that's actually what we're gonna do today. Since we've been biking all weekend, we're gonna go and pack up the truck and go hit the road and check out either the zoo or go to SeaWorld. I'm not sure what we're doing yet. Let's go. All right, guys, all cleaned up. Getting the GFC all ready to pack down. We also got a brand new fan that has these legs where we can connect it to the top, and this actually lasts for a really long time and it has a really good airflow. We've had it for the last 2 nights, haven't had to charge it yet. It has 3 modes and it also has a timer feature, so you can set it for 1, 3, or 5 hours. It's super handy, especially if you're just wanting to get the fan on you when you're going to bed and then not have to worry about the entire battery draining out. So really cool little addition, and it was on sale. I think when I bought this it was only like 25 bucks. I'll leave a link to it down below. We were hanging it right up there on the GFC hooks here at the top of the tent. All right, guys, locking up the GFC. One of the pros of having a GFC is just being able to lock your gear in. We're about to go hit up the San Diego Zoo. All right, guys. Well, that was Glass Lamp, That was Gas Lamp, San Diego. Pretty cool, like little downtown neighborhood. First time we'd ever been out here, so we wanted to check it out for the day. We're gonna make our way home now so we can go watch the sunset from good old Campland. All right, guys, we're back. We're actually setting up a brand new bug tent that we got here. So it's a pop-up tent, and it's got bug screens and essentially acts as an awning. So we're gonna try this out. Trash bag that we had earlier. So this is the top. Grab the middle part right here. This is crazy. Alright guys, so this is like a full enclosure bug net. This is essentially for those buggy camping nights. We don't actually need them tonight. It's really not that buggy. We just wanted to set it up and check it out here. But this is a pretty big 10 by 10. It's only 5 foot long, so it fits perfectly in the back of the truck. Or it's actually 4.5 feet long, so it fits perfectly lengthwise on the bed. I actually thought the screens were optional on all sides, so you can just use this as a shader, but there's actually only one opening, unfortunately. But there's a ton of room in here. So that's pretty cool. There's just one opening though, so that's kind of a downside, but for something so packable, and we literally just set this up in like 15 seconds. Yeah, this could be Rio's playpen in here. Just leave her in here. I was actually thinking we could drape this over the GFC, but I don't think this opening is big enough for the truck. All right, babe, grab that side, turn it.
Pivot.
Wait. Almost. Too bad. It's
I mean, close enough, right?
it'd be close. Yeah. So you'd essentially like, you know, connect this with the GFC over here. And speaking of which, let me get set up the tent real quick. But yeah, you just pull these sides out and pops up really freaking fast. So that's pretty cool. And here's camp. We've rearranged a little bit since Kyle and Steph are no longer here. Got the stove and everything set up. Got our chairs. Got the bikes. Bikes are absolutely essential at Campland. All right, let's set up this tent. Alright guys, so we've been kind of messing around with this. I set it up fully now, so it actually came with some poles here for the side. And so you can attach those in here. And then there's also, there's literally a talent show going on right now. But there's actually a rope right here that you can use to bring the doors in to the sides. But this is what I got here. Over advanced, and it also came with guide wires and some tent poles. Unfortunately, we are not going to be able to stake it down since we're on concrete, or partial concrete at least. It's a lot warmer right now inside of here. Carly's got the string lights on. We're going to buy some different string lights though, I think, to go around the full thing. Overall, this is going to be so awesome for those buggy nights, especially when we're at the lake. Thanks to Kyle and Steffi's mom for the awesome sake. Got the alcohol burning fire pit in here just for an ambiance. It's actually kind of staying pretty warm in here, so it's nice. Having Kyle's leftover chicken bacon ranch sandwich from yesterday for dinner tonight.
This was amazing. Revolutionized the way we look at air fryers.
Good morning, guys. Had a good night last night. Slept really good. I think night 3 in the GFC, you just kind of accept everything that is and sleep soundly. So we're actually gonna pack up and get ready to leave early this morning since we have a long drive back to Vegas. I just checked the maps and it looks like we had about a 5-hour drive ahead of us. And me and Carly got some work meetings later in the day, so we are leaving now. We're packing up today. We also got the 2 bikes. We're gonna pack up our awesome little bug net, which is gonna come in handy next week when we are in the woods. We got the fridge plugged in. All right, so we just relatively quickly, for the first time we ever set this down, we got this thing down in like 2 minutes, which is crazy. Awesome addition. Fold down the bikes and get them packed up. I'll show you guys what I've been doing. Then after you get them folded down, I use a bungee to keep them together. Same thing with Carly's bike. Then we'll put them in here. Wheels inside first so you can easily bring it in and out. I'm gonna scoot him over. Just a tad. Got everything pretty much packed up. We just gotta put the tent down and put the rug away. But that's pretty much it. Super convenient with the GFC. You can utilize a lot more of the truck bed, especially with how tall the actual camper goes up to the bed. Not too bad. Eventually I will be getting some bike racks for the bikes. I just need to find a fat tire bike that can handle over, 150 pounds, since these bikes are about 70 pounds a piece. But yeah, for right now, this is working great. Our awning as well fits snugly right here on the side. That's why this thing has been awesome, because it's actually 4.5 feet, so it doesn't take up the entire length of the truck bed. Super easy to fold up and put away and also put up, so that's going to be awesome, especially for those really buggy nights. And as you guys know, we've been having some crazy bug-filled nights these days, so it's going to be an awesome addition.
Why are there so many bugs all of a sudden? Holy sh! I'm scared.
What did you call them?
Tarantula wasp.
These bugs are crazy. There are like a ton of bees inside that tree right there. Until next time, Campland. And if you guys haven't seen our previous videos of Campland, Campland pretty much has all of your amenities. They have laundry, a gym, they have a pool, jacuzzi, skate park, beachfront, cantina on site. They have a general store on site in case you forget your beach towels like Kyle and Steph did. There's just a lot of stuff to do, and all very family friendly and always a good time out here. It's a party though, so just expect that coming in.